The third way that you can make the honeymoon phase last: stay laced, but don't buckle. What does that mean? That means that oftentimes during the honeymoon phase, the woman is going to try to get you to commit to a bunch of dumb shit. Meaning she's trying to say, hey, meet my friends, meet my parents. I want to meet your parents. Are we boyfriend and girlfriend? Should we move in together? Blah, blah, blah. Bro, don't buckle just because everything is going well. Hold firm, maintain your boundaries, and ask yourself, has she done enough to meet your friends? Has she done enough to meet your parents? Has she done enough to get a title? If the answer is no to any of these questions, hey, don't rush this. Hey, relax. But don't leave her in the dark. A lot of men do that mistake. They leave the woman in the dark as to why he's not committing. Tell her why. Hey, the reason you haven't met my friends yet is because you still go out 3 times a week. Hey, the reason you haven't met my friends yet is because you still dress pretty slutty. Hey, the reason you haven't met my friends yet is because you still are kind of rude when we're out. You have to let her know the exact reason why she's not getting what she wants from you so she can either fix it or not and never get elevated.